Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will sharing with you this two-step facial. We know normal facial included 4 steps, but this is very easy to do because this is only 2 steps. I use home available ingredients to prepare this mask and cleanser. After one use, you can see instant result on your face. You can use this all over your body. Natural remedies are better than chemical treatments. I never use chemical treatments. I love these natural remedies. You can use this two-step facial once a week. This is good for all skin types. Don't afraid to do this because this is 100% natural facial. So before I start the video, I have a small request from you. If you are new to my channel, don't leave without subscribe and valuable comment. Let's start the video. To make cleanser, add 2 teaspoons of raw milk, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of mashed papaya. Now mix well. Now apply this cleanser all over your face and neck. For a radiant and glowing complexion, you can try this cleanser. This will help to get rid of dead skin cells, leaving behind a glowing skin. Coffee is a source of nutrition and antioxidant that may benefit the skin, scalp and hair. It helps to treat acne, increase blood flow and balance pH levels. Raw milk is rich in sodium, potassium and calcium. These minerals tighten the skin, prevent skin cells damage and keep the skin younger. Papaya contains natural bleaching properties. Topical application can help in lighten your skin complexion. The cleansing properties helps get rid of the skin impurities and it also protects your skin against sun damage. Wait for 5 minutes, then gently massage and wash it off with normal water. You can see after washing my face little bit glowing. Let's make face mask. Add 1 teaspoon of gram flour, half teaspoon of wild turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of mashed papaya. Mix well. Now apply all over your face. This will help to remove tan, clear up your complexion and lighten your skin. This is very effective mask. Papaya can be extremely good for the skin as it also have a rich source of vitamin A and C. It also contains a special enzyme and it helps to fade dark spots, blemishes. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes until dry, then gently massage few minutes and wash it off with normal water. You can see instant glow on my face. If you follow these 2 steps facial once a week, you don't have to worry about your skin problems such as dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and any other skin problems. It also helps to lighten your skin complexion by giving you a natural glow. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please follow these 2 steps easy facial and give your valuable feedback. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.